Ever pondered on the intricacies of embarking on a programming journey? What does it take to plunge into the world of codes and algorithms? The journey of programming starts with a single step, and that is to understand the basics. Grasping the foundational elements of programming languages such as C, C++, Java, PHP, Python, and others is the initial milestone. Understand these languages not just theoretically but practically with real-world examples. The second step is to practice, practice, and practice. The world of programming is vast and complex, and the only way to navigate it is by practicing relentlessly. Write code every day, solve problems, and debug errors. The more you code, the more proficient you become. Next, dive into the world of data structures and algorithms. These are the building blocks of efficient programming. Understanding how data structures work and how algorithms can be used to solve complex problems is crucial to becoming a proficient programmer. After gaining a solid foundation, it's time to specialize. Choose a domain that interests you. It could be web development, data science, artificial intelligence, or any other field. Specialization allows you to focus your skills and knowledge on a specific area, making you an expert in that domain. Lastly, remember that patience and perseverance are key. The road to becoming a proficient programmer is fraught with challenges and obstacles, but with determination and persistence, you can overcome them and emerge victorious. To sum up, starting a programming journey involves understanding the basics of programming languages, practicing coding relentlessly, learning data structures and algorithms, specializing in a domain, and being patient and persistent. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, so start your journey today, and who knows, you might be the next big name in the programming world.